In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell stickers on Redbubble. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take a finished design and turn it into a live sticker listing that shoppers can find and buy. Start by heading to redbubble.com. Make sure you're on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience and have your artwork file ready on your computer. For stickers, a high-resolution PNG with a transparent background usually works best, so the cut line looks clean and professional. Once you're on the site, look for the option to add new work. This is where you begin the listing process. Click Add New Work to open the uploader. From here, choose Upload New Work, then select your design file. Give the upload a moment. Larger files can take a little longer. As it processes, check that the edges of your artwork are crisp and there's in-pub contrast so the sticker will stand out on different surfaces. Next, fill in your listing details. Start with a clear, specific title that describes the design in plain language. For the main tag, choose the single most accurate keyword that best represents the theme or subject of your sticker. Then add supporting tags that capture style, audience, colors, and use cases. Think about what a buyer would type when searching, and keep tags relevant. In the description, briefly explain what the design is, what inspired it, and where it shines, like laptops, water bottles, or journals. Avoid keyword stuffing and steer clear of trademarked phrases or brand names to comply with marketplace guidelines. Now, select the media. Choose the option that matches how you want to sell your work. In this case, make sure stickers are enabled. Open the sticker preview to adjust placement, scale, and background as needed. Aim for a balanced margin around the design so the cut line doesn't feel cramped. If your artwork is very light, ensure it will still read well on a white or clear background. Before publishing, check the box to agree to the platform's terms. This confirms you have the rights to the artwork and that it follows content policies. It's an important step to protect both you and buyers. Decide who can view this work. Pick anybody to make your sticker publicly visible right away, or only you if you want to double-check details privately before going live. Finally, click Save Work. The listing may process for a minute. Once saved, review your product page, confirm the images look sharp, and consider refining the title, tags, or description for better search reach. That's it. Your sticker is ready to sell.